In this video, we're going to go through what you get in the box when you purchase a P51 or P101 R-Tech Plasma Cutter. Now the reason we've got both here is because everything you get is pretty much the same apart from the torch, but we'll go through that later on in this video. We'll start by saying that plasma cutters are cost-effective, time-saving machines that do away the need for cutting discs, and we believe they're an essential in any workshop or on any shop floor. So let's get this box open and show you exactly what you get with your machine. Now the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the owner's manual. Now this is filled with some handy information on how to set up the machine and how to use it effectively. There's also a troubleshooting guide at the back should you run into any issues. Now don't worry if you lose this, as we have downloadable copies available on the website on every machine in the R-Tech range. Next up we have the machine. Once you've removed this from the box and taken off all of the outer packaging, we ask you to give it a good once over to make sure everything's alright. All of the plasma cutters in the R-Tech range come pre-installed with an air pressure regulator. This is handy for trapping any moisture, and we'll use it later to adjust our air pressure when we're setting up the machine. And now we have the accessories box. Inside here you'll find everything you need to get the machine set up and running effectively. First up we have the torch. These lightweight and robust torches pair perfectly well with the R-Tech Plasma Cutter. And because they're 6 meters in length, you should have no issue getting around what it is you're cutting. The P51 comes with the IPT60 torch, and the P101 comes with the IPT100 torch. And what this basically means is that each torch can reliably withstand the maximum amperage the machine can output. Now don't be alarmed if you notice any signs of use on the torch, as we test all of the machines before they leave us. Next up we have the earth. Its strong grip ensures a reliable and secure fit to your workpiece, and because it's rated to a higher amperage than what the machine can actually output, it should last you quite a while. To ensure you're cutting for longer, we include a small pack of consumables with every machine. Inside this pack you will find 5 cutting tips, 5 electrodes and 5 heavy-duty fuses. We also include a small multi-tool to secure the electrodes to the cutting torch. And that covers everything you get in the box with the P51 and P101 Plasma Cutter. All you need to do is attach your airline, plug in some power, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions on these machines or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We're also available on social media, so you can drop us a message on there, and we do have a trade counter which you're welcome to pop into. We offer demos on all of our machines, and details of this can be found over on our website.